Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing my tips on how I balance teaching my toddler and keeping our home in order without burning out. To begin, of course, we always eat breakfast first, and then after breakfast, I allow her to help me with household chores. This way you maximize their learning and you get to do your chores. So on our way to do laundry, I count the steps so that she is learning 1, 2, 3 as we're going down. Then I allow her to help me do the laundry. I let her put the soap in, I let her put the clothes in, I let her push the buttons on the washing machine, and then when the clothes are ready to get dried, I let her put them in there as well. And then when I'm doing the dishes, I let her do the rinsing. She's really just playing, but she feels like she's doing something. Then she took a break and was in her tent with her babies. And then I moved on to cooking. I let her do some pounding. Then I let her measure the cups of water into the pot for me to cook rice. I let her help me wash the rice. And then I also let her crack and peel the eggs. This time she did dig inside of it, but usually she's able to peel them perfectly. Then I watered the plants and I let her do it with her watering can. She didn't particularly like this activity. She was interested in it for a few minutes and then I was just the one watering the rest of them. But she got to watch me do it and be outside, which she really loves. And of course, I want a break too. So we went outside and she was playing on her slide. I let her get in the hammock and swing around. And then I decided to wash her water table because the water had been sitting in there for a while and it needed to be washed. And I let her do the scrubbing. And then we filled it up with water and she played in there.
You see
Her
pizza?
leg.
Yeah.
Say no
You want a
damn
piece
pizza.
of pizza, Mom? Okay. Here. You better eat it.
Pizza.
Here.
Yum, yum. Madam, look at the pomegranates.